Hello guys, you're welcome back. Now in this particular tutorial we're talking about the white balance. White balance just helps us control the level of lights, the neutral colors in your design, whites and blacks. That's what it helps us to control. So when I come to this when I click on this area, I'm just trying to I'm telling the software that this is going to give me a place to pick. If you increase, white balance actually works with color temperature. Let me click this out first. When I come here and I increase the temperature, you can see it's adding orange to the image. Probably if I reduce it, it's adding blue to the image. Now it's just because I'm seeing something, the way we see and the way our camera sees different. Our camera sees colors in RGB form. We see color the way they appear. Now maybe you're now correcting, and maybe I'm standing beside fire. Now when you take that picture, it should be more of yellow, orange in that image, because of fire produces like an orange. If orange color, it will be reflecting on whoever is there. Maybe I'm standing beside a candle or whatever, but if I'm in the midst of like a cold or a cloudy environment, you'll be having more blue. So if you take a picture in that particular place, you want to actually correct the white balance. So here I'm going to tell when I click this one, for example, when I come here, this side is a bit light, this side is a bit orange. Let me just use auto. Let me go back. So if I come pick these two and move my hand here, I'm trying to tell the Snapseed that this is how white should be. So Snapseed is going to white balance is going to help me correct my image by trying to balance this other side to work with that white in a way that will be okay, so that it will just maintain the color, the white balance on my image. It's still just trying how to adjust color. It's still the same thing as adjusting colors on your image. But if I now move it here, you can see it added a bit of blue to the image. This is before, this is after. It just added a bit of blue. See the orange just faded out a bit, because that side, the other side is having a touch of blue, not completely white. So if I now move it here, this place that orange, you can see it's also that place was pure orange. The other place I added blue, I put here was also having a touch of orange, but this place has more touch of orange. That's why I added more of blue to this particular part. So if it's not giving you can come to auto. It will just tend to correct it itself. That's the function of this auto, because there are times when you want to take camera. Take a picture using a camera. Camera allows you to set it in auto adjust for the white balance. It's going to help you try to balance the level, bring out the white color, the neutral colors in your image. So but when I just come here, and if I want a bit of orange in this, I can just come here and probably I know if Snapseed is not giving me, the auto is not giving me, I can just come here and just try and play with it and set it in a way that I know, this is how the white is how the black is. It's just help you balance color in your image. So that's everything I'll just tell you for white balance. Maybe I'll just make subsequent video if so I'll add a bit of orange to this tint. I don't want to tamper with this, but okay, let me. So my tint is adding green, magenta and green, so let me add this green. Alright, so that's all for this video. We'll see in the next one.